Hi, this is WordPress Holder, the Ukrainian guy who will help you with your website. You can contact me by email in the description area under this video. Okay, today I want to show you how to add the digital product to your WooCommerce shop. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and click like. It really supports me. Okay, to add it, you should go to the WordPress dashboard, go to the products, let's go, and click Add New. Great. So, now you should write as usual, title, description. Here you should load your image. Let's do our tomato. Here you can set up a gallery. Let's load these images. Okay, I want free one. Okay, here you should set up category. If you want, you can write tags, and here should be product short description. So short description. Now, in the product data tab, you should click, in the product data, you should click downloadable. Yeah, I hope I said it right. Now you can write regular price, discount price, and add files which user will get during checkout. So once he pay, he gets email with link to those files. Okay? In the email, he will be able to download it. So just write file name like file name. This file name will appear in the email which user will get after checkout. And file URL, let's write, you can add what you want, PDF or image or MP4 or some link to some other website. So it's just a file which user will get. So you can add more files if you want. If you're not, just delete it. Download limit means how much times user can use the link from email to download file. If you want user to be able to download it 5 times, you can set up 5. If you want unlimited, don't touch this. If you want one time, just click 1. Okay, download expiry means how much time user link works. So you can write here a number of days. So for example, a user buy this product and we'll write 2 here. So 3, okay. So link will work only 3 days and he will be able to download it only 1 time. Okay, understand? And that's it, that's all. All other tabs is just like in a regular shop. That's all you need to do to create downloadable product. If this video helped you, you can say thank you by leaving some donation. All information is in the description area under this video. Okay, don't forget to click publish. And let's see how it looks on front end. Okay, it looks just like a regular product. It's description here, short description, price, title, our gallery. Here is our category. And we do checkout as usual. So that's all. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to check other videos. There are a lot of tips for WooCommerce and Divi and WordPress. And happy to get all your questions and requests in comments. Thank you. Bye bye.